Okay, it's Saturday the 21st of December, around 8, 7:30 doing this thing. Pretty cold temperatures across the north, even the south, but look at there's some single digits up here in north central PA and lower New York. We're getting close to that. We're 12 degrees in the Poconos and where this is recorded at. And you can see center part of the state's teens. Down here towards Reading and Allentown, you're down around 20, Lancaster 20, even out here towards Harrisburg and York, it's pretty cold. South, everybody's below freezing, if you notice on this map. And a lot of people have snow on the ground. It did some melting, but see, the melting today will freeze hard tonight. And so then tomorrow it'll be a little harder for it to melt. So it'll get another day closer to Christmas. But I'm thinking, especially down south here, that it may not hang around. You're going to need that little coating you're going to get on Christmas Eve that we're going to talk about. But it was nice to see. I mean, Central Park had almost 2 inches of snow up in the Poconos, and out there was like 6 inches in some places out there. The valley's got 3 inches. Down here, we got 2 inches or so. Didn't get any reports from Philly. But I did by Trenton here. They had a couple of inches, but nobody reported in from Philly and South Jersey, and even down here in Delaware if you got any snow. So I don't really know there. I know out here they had some snow. You've had some streamers off the lakes, and I call them squall. You call them squalls. I call them streamers. Um, right now, there is a little bit of squall action going on. This is the squalls, and you can see they're not putting down much. This takes you to Monday morning, and you can see there's not much, maybe a little bit off the lake, so it's not really doing much at all, adding additional snow to it. We're pushing for that um, White Christmas. I'm trying. I'm giving it my best shot here. But hey, it's still nice to see it down here, so close to Christmas when the lights are out and everything. It's kind of an uplifting thing to see, and I'm just glad we got some snow. We usually don't get much down this way. Um, they said Boston had its biggest snow in almost 3 years. I read. That's crazy. So anyway, as we move into Monday morning, this is around 8 o'clock. You can see single digits again. Here's Mount Pocono 7. Pretty cold. Teens down here in southeastern PA. Again, everybody's below freezing. If we back this up to tomorrow, except for the sunlight that might work on the snow, temperatures are pretty cold. There's your afternoon temperatures. They're all below freezing. Low 20s to teens to, hey, here's 10 up here in southern New York. um, that's pretty cold for the middle of the afternoon. You know, even up here in the Poconos, you got some teens, and that's pretty cold for daytime highs. All right, so then we move this out to Monday. Let's see here. Let's get this to Monday. And you can see it does warm up a little bit. Temperatures 20s, north central, northeastern PA, upper 20s down here towards southeastern PA, Philly. Does get to freezing here in South Jersey and Delaware. Same thing out by Pittsburgh. It does get to freezing out there, above freezing a little bit out there. As we go through the nighttime hours, you're going to see. And if you watch this, this is around 6 o'clock Monday evening. And watch that. See, here's the line out here in western PA where it's 20s and to the east 30s. Watch this line move to the east overnight. Overnight. This is 1 in the morning. This is around 5 o'clock in the morning, and you can see it's at State College here. 27 just to the west. It's rose above freezing here. So that's not a good thing if you were trying to keep your snow on the ground. As we get to Tuesday during the day, at 40s down here in southeastern PA. That's bad omen. Jersey down here in Delaware, it all gets into the 40s. So going to be some melting done on Tuesday. Prior to that, there is a little bit of snow. If you're wondering what Christmas Day looks like temperature wise, you wake up in the morning and temperatures are, 20s, low 30s. It's pretty chilly, even down here in Delaware and South Jersey. It's below freezing. Only place it really hangs on is out here, outside of Pittsburgh here. But pretty chilly Christmas morning. And then as the day goes on, temperatures in the afternoon are 30s to the east and central and north, and it's just this warm air starting to move in here. And that precludes our next weather maker and warmer temperatures as the week goes on. But it's not going to last forever. Here's Thursday, the day after Christmas. You can see afternoon. I go too fast. I'm sorry. Here's afternoon temperatures on Thursday. Oh, that's Friday. Sorry. I'm just going too fast here. Let's get back to Thursday here. Here's your Thursday temperatures. Again, 40s out here, temperatures 30s in here. It's a few degrees warmer. And then on Friday, now let's go to Friday. Now we want Friday. There it is. Some 50s sneaking out here in extreme southwestern PA. And you're still close to freezing up here, North Jersey and the Poconos here on Friday. And then as we go overnight into Saturday, this takes you to around 8 in the morning. Temperatures back freezing in the east and into the 40s right along the western part of the state out here. Okay, so now if you're wondering about precipitation. Okay, so now this is Monday, the 23rd, around 8 o'clock in the evening, and you can see it's just crossing the Great Lakes up here, Lake Erie, and it's just getting into Delaware, or into Erie up here. And it's just starting to snow. And as you can see, as we get to around midnight, 2 a.m., there's some snow on the ground. Even out in Pittsburgh, you're getting some light snow, inch and a half, maybe 2 inches up here at that point in time. And then as we go through the day, this is what you have on the ground basically by late in the day or by midday on Christmas Eve. This is around 2 in the afternoon. You've gotten a little snow out here. You maybe get a little light snow in here too, but it's basically a dusting North Jersey, southeastern PA. And then up here by the lakes, you get a little bit more, but it's not much. But maybe it's enough that you can wake up Christmas morning before the temperatures rise and see it. This is the Euro for you people in Jersey, down Philly. It says that you get a little bit of snow, just the dusting again. But it's a little bit more generous, but it's a little less up here. So anyway, the system's going to run to our north, and we're just going to get glancing on the bottom of it. Um, Precipitation will be in the form of for everybody up here at snow, but I'm showing you this map. This is about 5 o'clock in the morning on Christmas Eve, the 24th. And you can see a little bit of freezing rain down here towards Lancaster. And and snow to the east, but then as it gets towards Philly and South Jersey, it becomes again freezing rain. So you get a little bit of snow and a little bit of freezing rain on the backside of it as it goes through, and then it goes off the coast to some rain showers, and then that's about it. And this is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see that it's pretty clear by then. Um, and it's not a lot of freezing rain. We're talking hundredths of an inch, so it's not much to panic about. But just be aware that that could be part of the equation quite early in the morning on Christmas Eve. All right, that's your update. Tomorrow's Sunday. I'm not going to be able to do it. I have to work. I will update this thing on Monday, the 23rd, and we'll have a special video for you that day. All right, take care, everybody.